Tired of spending your weekends pushing a vacuum or scrubbing floors? Or looking for a robot that actually cleans your home without constant supervision? Robot vacuums and mops have leveled up, combining smart navigation, powerful suction, tackling dust, dirt, and spills in one sleek package. But with so many models promising ultimate cleaning, how do you choose the right one for your home? That's why we're breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combo on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is Yeedi M12 PRO Plus. If you're looking for a budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop that doesn't compromise on features, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus can be the perfect for you. It's designed with smart tech and powerful suction, making keeping your home spotless effortless. What makes the M12 PRO Plus so special is its 11,000 Pascal strong suction. Driven by a high-speed motor and an optimized airflow design, it tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on carpets and hard floors with ease. Combined with zero-tangle technology, it prevents hair from clogging the brushes, so maintenance is minimal and cleaning is smooth. The True Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping ensures corners and edges get the attention they deserve, while the Auto Lift Mop lifts automatically when a carpet is detected, keeping your rugs dry and free from cross-contamination. You'll love the Mini Omni Station, a compact all-in-one hub that makes hands-free cleaning possible. It self-empty dust, refills the water tank, washes the mop, and even minimizes noise for a quieter experience, all in a space-saving design. Advanced navigation features like TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0 help the M12 PRO Plus avoid obstacles, map your home quickly, and maneuver efficiently. Also, with a 180-minute battery life, it can clean large areas in a single session without interruption. If you want a robot vacuum that's smart, reliable, and affordable, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus is your ideal choice. It combines intelligent cleaning, strong suction, and convenient hands-free features, making it one of the best budget-friendly options for keeping your home spotless. The 4th place on our list is eufy X10 Pro Omni. The eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop is one of the most advanced and feature-packed smart cleaners you can grab. It's equipped to give you a hands-free, spotless home. It combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and fully automated maintenance in one sleek package. With 8,000 pascals of suction, the X10 Pro Omni lifts hidden debris, pet hair, and dirt from carpets and floors in just one pass. The MopMaster 2.0 dual mop system applies gentle pressure for deep cleaning while automatically lifting 12 millimeters on carpets, keeping them dry and protected. You'll love the all-in-one station that washes mop pads with clean water, dries them with 45 degrees Celsius heated air, empties the 2.5-liter dust bag, and refills the 3-liter water tank. So, you can mop 1,500 to 2,000 square feet of floor without lifting a finger. The station only needs maintenance every couple of months, making it perfect for busy homes. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are smarter than ever with AI.C technology, which detects over 100 objects including shoes, wires, and toys, even at night. The iPath laser navigation creates efficient cleaning routes, while AI.map 3.0 lets you set no-go zones, virtual boundaries, and custom cleaning routines. The auto-detangling roller brush ensures hair doesn't get stuck, so maintenance is super easy, and with full app control, you can start, schedule, or customize cleaning from anywhere. Looking for a robot vacuum that does suction, mopping, obstacle avoidance, and hands-free maintenance, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is your ultimate home cleaning companion. It's powerful, smart, and built to keep your floor spotless effortlessly. The 3rd product on our list is the DREAME X40 Ultra. If you're looking for the best feature-packed robot vacuum and mop, the DREAME X40 Ultra is the game changer. It is built to handle every corner of your home with precision. It combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free maintenance for a truly effortless cleaning experience. What makes the X40 Ultra so special is its removable and liftable mop. You can protect carpets from moisture by removing or automatically lifting the mop up to 10.5 millimeters and set custom zones to avoid rugs, keeping your floors clean without worry. Its side-reach, extendable brush tackles wall corners and furniture legs, sweeping dirt and debris from places most vacuums can't reach. With 12,000 pascal of forceful suction, the X40 Ultra easily removes hair, dirt, and debris from all floor types. Combined with Omni Dirt detection and Mop Extend Robo Swing technology, it smartly scrubs stubborn messes under low furniture and tight corners. Hands-free maintenance is another advantage. The X40 Ultra cleans both the mop and washboard using 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, reducing stains and odors. You can even adjust cleaning temperatures across 4 levels via the app for optimal results. This product is equipped with 3D structured light, a camera, and LED sensors. It learns your home layout, avoids obstacles, and lets you customize modes, pet zones, and mopping intensity all with a single tap. It is powered by a 6,400 mAh battery. It runs longer, recharges automatically, and resumes cleaning seamlessly. If you want a robot vacuum that is truly powerful, smart, and feature-packed, the DREAME X40 Ultra can be the perfect choice for you. The second product on our list is the Roborock Saros 10R. If you're looking for the best premium robot vacuum and mop, the Roborock Saros 10R sets the standard. It's packed with cutting-edge tech and unmatched cleaning power. It transforms your home cleaning into a completely hands-free experience. The first thing you'll notice is its ultra-slim 3.14-inch design. This sleek profile lets the Saros 10R glide effortlessly under beds, sofas, and cabinets, reaching places most robot vacuums can't. Thanks to the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it maps your home with precision, avoids obstacles, and cleans around cords, furniture legs, and even tricky corners automatically. When it comes to raw cleaning power, nothing comes close. The 22,000 PA Hyperforce suction tackles dirt, hair, and debris on all floor types, while the zero-tangling brushes and anti-tangle wheels make maintenance effortless, even with long hair or pets. The FlexiArm Riser side brush and mop extends automatically to hit corners and edges, ensuring no spot is missed. The AdaptiLift chassis handles obstacles up to 4 centimeters, raises brushes when on carpets, and delivers a quiet, precise mopping experience. And the multifunctional dock 4.0 brings true hands-free convenience. 60-day auto dust collection, auto water refill, mop washing with 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, hot air drying, and even auto rewash for heavily soiled areas. With smart features like the Hello Rocky voice assistant, 2-way video calls for checking in on pets, and full Roborock app control, you can clean, monitor, and manage your home from anywhere. If you want the most advanced, powerful, and luxurious robot vacuum and mop, the Roborock Saros 10R is your ultimate premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S. This ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S robot vacuum and mop is the best overall smart cleaners you can get. It's designed to make your life easier. It combines incredible suction, smart navigation, and hands-free convenience in one sleek package. With a whopping 11,000 pascal suction power, the DEEBOT T30S tackles carpets, hard floors, and stubborn debris effortlessly. You'll notice spotless floors throughout your home without lifting a finger. And when it comes to edges and corners, TrueEdge adaptive mopping ensures precision cleaning with 1mm accuracy, so no dust or dirt is left behind, even in hard-to-reach areas. If you hate dealing with tangled hair, you'll love Zero Tangle technology. It prevents human and pet hair from clogging the main brush, meaning less maintenance and smoother, uninterrupted cleaning. The all-in-one OMNI station takes convenience to the next level. It self-empties the dustbin, refills water, washes the mop with hot water, and even dries it with hot air, so your DEEBOT is always ready for action. Navigating your home is very easy with TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and TrueMapping 2.0. The T30S detects obstacles with precision, avoids furniture, and maps your home efficiently, so you get a thorough clean without any mishaps. Looking for a robot vacuum that combines power, intelligence, and zero hassle? The DEEBOT T30S could be the smartest cleaning upgrade for you. That's all for our list of the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combo on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.